there are n coplanar vectors, each of magnitude v. Each vector is inclined to the preceding vector, making an angle 2 pi by n. What is the magnitude of the resultant? Now let us say this is a plane and there are many coplanar vectors over here. There are many coplanar vectors. Let us say a vector over here. Okay, let us take a vector over here. So basically for this vector, when it traces an angle of 2 pi, it will return to its original position. Okay, when it traces an angle of 2 pi in the either in the clockwise or anti-clockwise direction, I will get the when it traces an angle over here, theta is equal to 2 pi, it will return to its original position. Now there are n coplanar vectors and each of them is making an angle of 2 pi by n. Okay, so the total angle with the original, that is total angle with the original, will be equal to, there are n vectors, each make an angle 2 pi. So let us say the first will make an angle of 2 pi by n, okay, or 2 pi by 1. The second one will make an angle of 2 pi by 2. So 2 pi by 3, 2 pi by 4. Okay, so the total angle over here 2 pi by 3, 2 pi by 4. Okay, and so on. Okay, so if there are 10 vectors, okay, each will make an angle of 2 pi by 10. So the total number of over here, the total angle made by the last vector, with the last vector, the total number of the angle made by the last vector over here with the preceding one, with the first one, will be equal to basically n into 2 pi by n, which is over here equal to 2 pi. Okay, so I can say that the last vector over here is coinciding with the first one. Okay, the last vector over here is coinciding with the first one, or I can say that the first and the last vector are the same. Okay, so basically it means that I will get, let us say the value of n is 4. So I will get 4 vectors somewhat like this. Okay, the 4 vectors somewhat like this, making an angle of 2 pi by 4, that is equal to pi by 2 with each other. Over here the resultant will be equal to 0 because this vector is cancelling out this vector on the x axis. The vector on the positive y axis is cancelling out the vector in the negative y axis. If I take 6 vectors over here, each will make an angle 2 pi by 6, which is equal to over here pi by 3 with each other. So basically this vector over here will cancel out this vector will cancel out this vector will cancel out this vector. Okay, so unless the value of n over here is equal to 1, okay, unless the value of n over here is equal to 1, the resultant over here will be equal to 0 for any other value other than n is equal to 1, because for n is equal to 1 there is only one vector which is in the right hand side direction. In that case the value of the vector will be equal to v. Okay, so if it is a multiple choice question, if it is a question such that there are multiple answers, I will mark both B and C, otherwise the answer will only be equal to C.